What's up, guys? We're gonna go in detail here on how to reset your body. So, you guys, in this module, I'm gonna help you understand and learn how to reset your body. Okay, this is important because you'll want to take notes here and implement this, guys. The content here will help you get started before diving in throughout the rest of the content here in Mind, Body, and Meals. Okay, this is how to start this program and really reset your body. Okay, so basically, we have to reset our body, guys, because of how we've been eating all of our life up until now. And we need a reset. We need a reboot here before we move forward. It's kind of like going back to that factory reset, okay? It's kind of like a little bit of a cleanse out, detox from everything, and dive right into how to get the best results. But doing a reset will effectively help your body in doing so. And we're going to dive in a little bit on how and why we're going to do that, okay? So, why reset? We're going to look at a couple things, you guys. Restrictive diets here. Up to this point, like I said, you've been eating to a fad diet, most likely, which means you've been restricting yourself on macronutrients, either fats or carbs or anything. It's not eating enough food, okay? Hands down, most restrictive diets are going to be in a deficit completely, which causes your metabolism to slow down, guys. It works less when we don't fuel it enough, okay? So that's a couple things that why we want to reset the body is because the hormones and our metabolism is completely crashed to some degree, and we need a reset before we can rev that thing back up and start working for our body, okay? So restrictive dieting is huge, okay? Opposite effects, okay? We gotta look at that here too because this is eliminating our fat magnet, okay? If you start implementing a whole new tailored macronutrient numbers right off the bat, they will be higher than what you've already been eating, and likely you are going to have the opposite results, the exact opposite of really what you want to happen might really happen, okay? In a sense, this is your warning. If you dive right in without taking this a little bit slow and let the body reset, you might see weight gain right off the bat. You might see the scale go up a little bit or inches go out a little bit because of the fact, like I said, we're attracting fat all of a sudden because our body wasn't used to this type of eating before. So if you don't slowly work it in, it's going to have an opposite effect. You'll see that if you jump right in, okay? Like I said, we need to reset back to baseline. You'll notice the bigger picture here, guys. By tracking in your MyFitnessPal for a week or so, it can really help you identify how much you're really eating for each macronutrient, okay? It gives you an understanding of how you're typically eating right now. And this is extremely important, you guys, because you are coming off a restrictive diet, or if you're just coming off of a not tracking anything, you're not aware of really what you're eating. And that's where a lot of people are like, wow, I didn't realize I was eating that much carbs, or wow, how many calories am I really taking in? There's a lot of different scenarios here. So when we complete this, you'll be able to see a little bit where your macronutrients are and then adjust accordingly to your body type. Okay, so you'll notice that this is where there's going to be a lot more help, where you can see where what changes you really need to make instead of just diving in and completely changing up the diet. Okay. Another thing here is allow it time. Give it time, you guys. Proper correction with this takes time, and if you don't start seeing results right away, that's dependent on how much time level you need to really balance out those hormones and the metabolism. Okay, if you've been not eating very well for a number of years, it is going to take a lot longer than somebody who, is just getting into restrictive diets or has basically been trying different things throughout the process of their lives, you guys. So give it time. We've been eating like crap until now. Likely we're not in our teens. This has been how many years that we've put on all this guilt, all this shame, all this, all this stuff inside our body, and it takes time to really get results. And a thing I always say, a good motto that I say goes with this is slow is smooth, smooth is fast, okay? Go slow and you're going to get results a lot faster than if you dive in with, eyes closed, all this stuff happening. Gonna be a lot harder to get results, guys. So go slow with it. This is an adjustment, you guys. So how to adjust from your current baseline intake is huge. So this is basically how you're going to reset, okay? By using MyFitnessPal, like I said, implement 1 week at least of just eating and seeing where your macros end up. And from there, you can kind of go in, you guys. It takes time. So get adjusted to, how you feel like you're doing. pay attention to that a little bit, okay? From here, you guys, we're reaching out to specific numbers, okay? So after this week of a preset here, the end goal is to really get the hormones and metabolism, like I said, back to baseline. Let's just back to the basics by making small adjustments. So here's a little tip here for you guys. The end goal, like I said, is to adjust where it's needed. So now that you've been logging for a week, you can see what adjustments you really need to make. And here's some solid tips and recommendations I have for you guys. So if you are over in your macros, whether it be you're over in your fats or you're over in your carbs, I want you to drop as soon as you can to that desired amount, okay? Control your intake of fats and carbs. So if you are over in fats, go back and look at what you're higher in fats in, and you can still eat those fats, you guys, but take the number, the amount of them down, okay? For example, if you are eating a whole avocado, maybe eat half. If you're eating half, maybe eat a fourth, okay? Same thing with carbs. If you're eating 2 slices of bread, eat 1 slice of bread. So just take that number down and reduce it. If you are over, do what you can to reduce that amount, okay? Like I said, you don't have to eliminate a food completely, but you want to take all of it down a notch, and that will help baseline you out, okay? Now, if you are under in macronutrients, right? Same effect here. Maybe you're over in carbs, under in fats, or over in fats and under carbs. Whatever it is, you guys, whatever you're under in, increase it by a small amount, okay? So fats, try to increase by 10 grams, okay? And then carbs, try to increase by 25 grams per week, okay? So don't go to extreme that you have to increase 10 grams per day. Slow, remember, slow is smooth, smooth is fast, okay? So for example, if you're eating 50 grams of carbs, increase it by 25 grams and slowly try to increase the things that you're eating, okay? Again, prime example, if you're eating maybe a half of an avocado, try to increase it to 3/4 of an avocado, okay? Just slight increases in those specific areas of either fats or carbs. And this will help get you to baseline, like I said, back to hitting those macros in a lot faster of a way, because if you're used to eating a certain way, you guys, you can still eat that way. It's just tweaking the amounts of the things that you're eating to make it fit your macros. Okay, so that's the simplest, easiest way to start resetting and get on track to hitting your macronutrients. Okay, guys, good things come in time. Okay, that's one thing that I want to hit on here. Okay, our body is a magnificent thing, you guys, and it needs balance and it wants balance. It drives off balance. That's when everything is working together how it should, and that's what our body craves. Our body does not crave weight loss. Okay, we want it to, but it doesn't. It needs to be balanced and it needs to be healthy first, and then weight starts to come off. Okay, that's the biggest thing here is you want your body to be something without messing it up. It causes so much damage, you guys. We've been causing so much damage, and the amount of time it takes to reset your hormones and to get things start working for you takes almost double the time, you guys. It will not happen overnight. Even when you're hitting your macros really well, you guys, it still takes time. That's still your body is taking that time right there. You can't just say, I hit my macros, I'm good to go. It takes a little bit. It takes a little bit of time to really start working for your benefit, okay? Remember here, the last time that you guys really, put in the amount of time to really give your body with what it wants. I will challenge you guys. Try to eat for what your body needs, not what it wants. Okay, I'll say that again. Try to eat for what your body really needs, not what it wants. Okay, when you go out to a restaurant or when you're choosing what to eat for dinner, try to have that mindset to say, what does my body really need right now versus what I really want to have. Okay, when you kind of distinct that and you start eating more for what your body really needs or what your macros say that you need yet for today or the rest of the week, whatever it is, and you start tweaking that, that's when your body starts to reset. That's when changes start to occur on both the mindset level and on your macronutrient level, guys. These all go hand in hand. The three main portions of this program for you guys all coincides that same rhythm, okay? So we have to reset to factory mode, all right? And this is the exact way to do it, you guys. Dive in on this content right here. Take some time to reset, even if you've been doing it logging for a couple weeks, couple months. Okay, this is always good to do a reset and just eat how you're eating and then log it and just watch what you're eating. Don't shoot for a certain amount of macronutrients. Just eat how you eat and then readjust from there, and that will be the best way to get the results possible.